make it, we are gonna need a breadboard, an Arduino board, three 1K resistors, and 8 male-to-male jumper wires, and red, green, and yellow LEDs. First, we have to attach the LEDs to the breadboard. Like that. First the red one, then the yellow one, and finally the green one. Okay. So now we have to attach the ground of Arduino with the minus line on the breadboard, and then 5 volts of Arduino to the positive line of breadboard. Then we have to connect the resistors with the ground or the short pin, negative pin of the LEDs. You can check the short pin of the LED by pulling it up. Let's attach the resistor. First the red LED, then the yellow one, and finally green one. Done. Now let's connect the longer pins of the LEDs to the digital pin of Arduino. Green LED's longer pin will go on the Arduino's digital pin 2. Then the yellow then the yellow LED's larger pin or the positive pin will go on the Arduino's digital pin 3. And then finally the green LED's positive pin will go on the digital pin 4 of the Arduino. We have connected the resistors so the LED does not burst. We will connect the resistors from the negative line to the negative line to the negative side of the LEDs. Let's look at the code. In code, I have declared the LED pins: green LED on digital pin 2, yellow LED on 3, and red LED on digital pin 4. Then in the void setup, I have declared the pin mode: green LED as output, yellow also as output, and red also as output. Then in the void loop, I have made the LEDs glow for some seconds and set them low. So I have used digitalWrite to do that. First, let's set the red LED to high. Then wait for 5000 milliseconds, 5 seconds. and set red LED low. Then glow the yellow LED. Wait for 3000 milliseconds, which is 3 seconds, and then set the yellow LED low and the green LED high. Wait for 4000 milliseconds, 4 seconds, and green LED low. Let's upload this code. To upload it, you have to connect your Arduino with your USB cable with a laptop or the PC. Connecting it, you have to select the port of your board. In my case, it's COM5. It can be different in your case. You have to select the port on which the Arduino Uno is. I have selected COM5. Then click on this upload button to upload the code to your Arduino. First compile the code from this and then click on upload. So the code is uploaded, and now what I'll show you that the project is working. So as you can see, my code is working. Our project is done. The red LED glows for 5 seconds, then yellow LED, and then finally green LED. See, red LED for 5 seconds, then yellow LED for 3 seconds, then green one for 4 seconds. If you like the video, please hit a like on this video and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. You will, and you will find the code in the description. Thank you for watching.